If media sound is not working in your Samsung Galaxy A07, then in this video I'll tell you a method by which you can fix this issue. First of all, navigate to your settings application and scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. And from here tap on volume and make sure media sound is enabled like this. Once you have turned on media sound, simply go back once again and go to connections. And from here you will need to disable Bluetooth. Simply disable Bluetooth. After that go back and go to notifications. Then scroll down and tap on do not disturb and make sure do not disturb is disabled as well. Once you have done that, you will need to force restart your device. To force restart, simply hold up your device and press the power button and volume down button at the same time and keep holding until the screen goes black like this. Press the power button and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding. Now release the buttons once the screen goes black. And by doing this, your issue will most likely be fixed. However, if the issue still remains, then it can be a hardware issue as well. Please visit any nearest Samsung service center to get it fixed. So that's how you can fix media sound not working problem in Samsung Galaxy A07. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.